Ecosystem. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. What is the reason for a faster rate of decomposition in the tropics? A. Higher temperature and humidity. B. Lower temperature and humidity. C. Lower oxygen concentration. D. Higher oxygen concentration. Answer. A. Higher temperature and humidity. 2. From where do autotrophs obtain energy? A. Ecosystem. B. Sunlight. C. Heterotrophs. D. Zooplankton. Answer. B. Sunlight. 3. The phytoplankton, zooplankton, and the fungi are components of which ecosystem? A. Pond. B. Land. C. Desert. D. Terrestrial. Answer. A. Pond. 4. What is the movement of energy towards the higher trophic levels and its distribution and losses heat to the lower trophic levels in the environment? A. Multidirectional. B. Bidirectional. C. Unidirectional. D. No direction. Answer. C. Unidirectional. 5. What is the rate at which solar energy is converted and stored by the producers per unit area over a time period called? A. Primary productivity. B. Tertiary productivity. C. Gross primary productivity. D. Net productivity. Answer. A. Primary productivity. 6. By what letter is the gross primary productivity designated? A. GMP. B. GPP. C. GAP. D. GTP. Answer. B. GPP. 7. What is the rate of biomass production called? A. Productivity. B. Decomposition. C. Photosynthesis. D. Respiration. Answer. A. Productivity. 8. What is the rate of production of new organic matter by heterotrophic organisms, consumers, called? A. Gross primary productivity. B. Net primary productivity. C. Secondary productivity. D. Primary productivity. Answer. C. Secondary productivity. 9. Which of the following contributes to the highest rate of primary productivity? A. Deserts. B. Grasslands. C. Coral reef. D. Agricultural ecosystem. Answer. B. Grasslands. 10. Which of the following is estimated in either the photosynthetic number or chlorophyll content? A. Gross primary productivity. B. Net primary productivity. C. Primary productivity. D. Net productivity. Answer. A. Gross primary productivity. 11. The flow of energy from one trophic level to the next is always A. Multidirectional. B. Bidirectional. C. No direction. D. Unidirectional. Answer. D. Unidirectional. 12. What is the approximate amount of the annual net primary productivity of the whole biosphere? A. 80 million tons of organic matter. B. 170 billion tons of organic matter. C. 10 billion tons of organic matter. D. 2 million tons of organic matter. Answer. B. 170 billion tons of organic matter. 13. How much is the productivity of landmass? A. 115 billion tons. B. 170 billion tons. C. 55 million tons. D. 170 million tons. Answer. A. 115 billion tons. 14. Which organism is said to be a farmer's friend? A. Rat. B. Earthworm. C. Bat. D. Leopard. Answer. B. Earthworm. 15. According to the 10% law of energy transfer, what percentage of energy from one trophic level is transferred to the next? A. 20%. B. 50%. C. 10%. D. 5%. Answer. C. 10%. 16. Which organisms carry out the fragmentation of detritus? A. Sponges. B. Vertebrates. C. Detritivores. D. Zooplankton. Answer. C. Detritivores. 17. What is the process of secretion of digestive enzymes by decomposers to convert insoluble complex organic molecules into simple soluble organic and inorganic molecules called? A. Fragmentation. B. Decomposition. C. Humification. D. Catabolism. Answer. D. Catabolism. 18. What does decomposition depend on? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Ammonia. D. Carbon monoxide. Answer. A. Oxygen. 19. How many steps are involved in the process of decomposition? A. 10. B. 2. C. 8. D. 5. Answer. D. 5. 20. What are the primary consumers in a food chain? A. Omnivores. B. Scavengers. C. Detritivores. D. Herbivores. Answer. D. Herbivores. 21. What is the process of release of inorganic substances, both minerals and non-minerals, from organic matter called? A. Fragmentation. B. Mineralization. C. Humification. D. Leaching. Answer. B. Mineralization. 22. What is the dark amorphous organic matter rich in cellulose and lignin that is highly resistant to any microbial action and decomposes at a slower rate called? A. Fragments. B. Enzymes. C. Humus. D. Minerals. Answer. C. Humus. 23. Which of the following is an example of detritivore? A. Monkey. B. Termites. C. Elephant. D. Flatworm. Answer. B. Termites. 24. What is the process called when detritivores feed on larger pieces and leave smaller fragments behind? A. Leaching. B. Catabolism. C. Fragmentation. D. Mineralization. Answer. C. Fragmentation. 25. Which trophic level do green plants constitute in a food chain? A. Third trophic level. B. First trophic level. C. Last trophic level. D. Zero level. Answer. B. First trophic level. 26. What is the percolation of the soluble substances formed due to decomposition called? A. Humification. B. Leaching. C. Mineralization. D. Catabolism. Answer. B. Leaching. 27. What environment is unfavorable for the process of decomposition? A. Warm. B. Low temperature and anaerobic conditions. C. Moist. D. Having good humus. Answer. B. Low temperature and anaerobic conditions. 28. What environment is favorable for the process of decomposition? A. Low temperature and anaerobic conditions. B. High temperature. C. Warm and moist. D. Watery. Answer. C. Warm and moist. 29. Along with oxygen, what are the other components decomposition depends on? A. Oxygen. B. Chemical composition of detritus. C. Decomposers. D. Leaching. Answer. B. Chemical composition of detritus. 30. During the flow of energy in an ecosystem, in which form is the energy dissipated during various metabolic activities? A. Ammonia. B. Vapors. C. Photons. D. Heat. Answer. D. Heat. 31. What are the food levels in an ecosystem called? A. Decomposer level. B. Trophic levels. C. Producer levels. D. Consumer levels. Answer. B. Trophic levels. 32. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of an aquatic food chain? A. Phytoplankton right pointing arrow, fishes right pointing arrow, fungi right pointing arrow, zooplankton. B. Phytoplankton right pointing arrow, zooplankton right pointing arrow, fishes right pointing arrow, fungi. C. Phytoplankton right pointing arrow, fungi right pointing arrow, zooplankton right pointing arrow, fishes. D. Zooplankton right pointing arrow, phytoplankton right pointing arrow, fishes right pointing arrow, fungi. Answer. B. Phytoplankton right pointing arrow, zooplankton right pointing arrow, fishes right pointing arrow, fungi. 33. In which ecosystem is the detritus food chain, DFC, the major conduit for energy flow? A. Aquatic ecosystem. B. Terrestrial ecosystem. C. Both aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. D. Man-made ecosystems. Answer. B. Terrestrial ecosystem. 34. Whose population is highest in an ecosystem? A. Primary producers. B. Secondary consumers. C. Primary consumers. D. Decomposers. Answer. A. Primary producers. 35. What will happen if we remove the decomposers from an ecosystem? A. Energy flow stops. B. Consumers die. C. Mineralization will not occur. D. Plants won't receive solar energy. Answer. C. Mineralization will not occur. 36. In general, a food chain consists of how many trophic levels? A. 4. B. 0. C. 2. D. 1. Answer. A. 4. 37. Which of the following is always upright in an ecosystem? A. Pyramid of biomass. B. Pyramid of numbers. C. Pyramid of energy. D. Pyramid of numbers in a grassland ecosystem. Answer. C. Pyramid of energy. 38. What is represented by the base of an ecological pyramid? A. Consumers. B. Decomposers. C. Producers or the first trophic level. D. Secondary or tertiary consumers. Answer. C. Producers or the first trophic level. 39. The pyramid of biomass in a sea is generally A. Upright. B. Inverted. C. Spindle-shaped. D. Not possible to determine. Answer. B. Inverted. 40. Which of the following statements is correct regarding ecological pyramids? A. A given species can occupy only one trophic level at a time. B. Saprophytes are given a place in ecological pyramids as top consumers. C. The pyramid of numbers in a tree ecosystem is generally upright. D. It can accommodate a food web. Answer. C. The pyramid of numbers in a tree ecosystem is generally upright. 41. What does a pyramid of numbers represent? A. The rate of energy flow at successive levels. B. The total dry weight of organisms at each level. C. The number of individuals at each trophic level. D. The rate of decomposition at each level. Answer. C. The number of individuals at each trophic level. 42. Which is a pioneer species in xeroch succession? A. Bryophytes. B. Lichens. C. Ferns. D. Algae. Answer. B. Lichens. 43. Secondary succession is faster than primary succession because A. The soil is already present. B. The climate is more stable. C. The seed bank is established. D. Both A and C are correct. Answer. D. Both A and C are correct. 44. The process of ecological succession leads to A. Decreased species diversity. B. Increased species diversity. C. No change in species composition. D. A random, unpredictable change in species composition. Answer. B. Increased species diversity. 45. What does both hydrarch and xeroch succession ultimately lead to? A. An extremely dry environment. B. An aquatic environment. C. A xeric climax community. D. A mesic climax community. Answer. C. A xeric climax community. 46. The process by which dead organic matter is broken down into simpler inorganic substances is called A. Fragmentation. B. Mineralization. C. Catabolism. D. Humification. Answer. B. Mineralization. 47. What is visualized as a functional unit of nature? A. Organism. B. Community. C. Ecosystem. D. Biome. Answer. C. Ecosystem. 48. The correct equation for net primary productivity is A. NPP equals GPPR. B. NPP equals GPP plus R. C. NPP equals RGPP. D. NPP equals GPPSP. Answer. A. NPP equals GPPR. 49. Which ecosystem has the highest primary productivity? A. Pond. B. Desert. C. Forest. D. Ocean. Answer. C. Forest. 50. The rate of energy assimilated at the trophic level of consumers is known as A. Gross primary productivity. B. Secondary productivity. C. Net primary productivity. D. Tertiary productivity. Answer. B. Secondary productivity. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.